In this video, I would like to show you how it looks from the student view. Now, this is the first thing you're going to see. This is your title page. Now, when the teacher goes ahead and selects next, automatically you are going to see a poll coming up. And remember, we added this picture, how do you feel today? And we asked students the questions of, I am feeling tired, I'm feeling so excited. So we can go ahead and select this and submit. And the teacher has the option to share the results. So here you can see, well, 100% of students are so excited to be in school. For our next option, we had the quiz. There were 2 questions we created. Can Nearpod be a student-paced lesson? That would be true. We can go ahead and select next. And how can you create a Nearpod lesson? Well, we know that we can use Google Slides for this assignment. Now, again, the teacher can select to share the results of this if they choose to. Remember, in our matching activity, we asked students to find the matching pairs. Now, in this instance, what you're going to do as a student, you're going to select the matching pairs. And you can see that we are getting an immediate feedback about how we did. Now, here's the open-ended question. At this part, we asked that we can record the audio, so we can record this, or we can also go ahead and select and start typing in. I would like to use ... Now we can go ahead and submit this, and then the teacher would actually see how many students are participating. Is it 100% participation? The teacher can also go ahead and share certain responses. For example, the teacher is currently sharing my response. The teacher also has the option to select different students' responses as well. In this part, we have our draw a tool. Remember, here we ask students to tell us where the vertex is, so we can select the pen and the color. And the students can say, here is the vertex, and the students can also type in maximum or minimum. So the student can literally annotate on the picture. On the teacher's view, the teacher can exactly see what each student is typing in as well. On our next tool, we have the Collaborate, which is currently waiting for the teacher to input their say. Now here we are inputting our thoughts. Tell me the characteristics of a function. For example, we can type in vertex. Here you see it popping up. And we can also go ahead and select maximum and so forth. And then all these different responses from the entire class will pop up. The last but not least tool, we said we're going to incorporate Desmos. Now here, you can ask students to graph any different kind of function. So for example, we can say we want to graph 3x plus 5. Immediately, the student is able to draw this function. Also, we could draw quadratic functions. These are very difficult to graph, but with this, we're easily able to tell and graph them, and we can select different parts on our function. I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you hopefully a good insight on how a Nearpod presentation looks from the eye of a student.